markets snapped their losing streak in style today. The Sensex jumped over 716 points, and the Nifty comfortably crossed 24,800, powered by optimism around the RBI's latest policy stance. By midday, the Sensex was at 80,925.72, up about 0.82%, while the Nifty traded at 24,803.4, higher by 0.78%. The rally was broad-based. Banking, financials, autos, and pharma stocks all pushed higher. Some of the big movers included Shriram Finance, Tata Motors, Trent, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Sun Pharma, each rallying up to 4% on strong demand. So what drove this rally? First, the RBI played it safe with a hawkish twist. The central bank kept the repo rate unchanged at 5.5%, leaving room for future cuts. But the surprise was in the details: new measures to expand capital market lending by banks and relaxed rules on loans against listed securities. That gave markets a serious confidence boost. Second, heavy buying in banks and financials. With those RBI tweaks, Bank Nifty and finance stocks became the day's star performers. Third, global and currency tailwinds. Overseas cues were positive. US and Asian markets were firm. Brent crude slid about 1.4% to $67 a barrel, easing inflation worries, and the rupee strengthened to around 88.75 against the dollar. Fourth, volatility cooled off. India VIX dropped nearly 3.7% to 10.66, signaling reduced fear among traders and helping momentum build. And fifth, autos got their own boost. Mahindra & Mahindra reported a 10% jump in SUV sales year-on-year, while Bajaj Auto clocked 9% growth. That fueled demand across auto stocks. Now, what should traders watch next? For the Nifty, resistance sits near 24,720 to 24,800, with upside targets stretching to 24,970 and even 25,050. On the downside, support levels lie at 24,500 and 24,336. For Bank Nifty, sustaining today's gains will be critical. A continued rally in banks could validate this upswing. Beyond technicals, keep an eye on RBI's commentary, global inflation trends, foreign flows, and crude oil moves. Any surprise rise in oil or weakness in the rupee could flip sentiment fast. For now, though, the bulls are smiling, and today's rebound puts the market back on the front foot.